Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Swati. So today I am going to discuss about servlet life cycle. So this servlet life cycle consists of three methods. First one is init method, second one is service method, and third one is destroy method. And this life cycle methods are available in Java x.servlet.servlet package. And whenever we are making any request to the server, then this init method executes. Means for entire application, or you can say for entire project, this init method executes only once. Second one is service method. It executes for each and every request. Whenever we are making any request to Servlet, then it means whenever we are making any request to server, then this service method executes. Third one is destroy method. So whenever we stop the server, then this destroy method executes. So these two methods, init method and destroy method, executes only once in entire execution, and service method executes for each and every request. So these are the basic things about the methods of the server life cycle. Apart from this, when we are talking about servlet class, so thing is that servlet class, we cannot make any object to the servlet class. But this service method which we are talking about, this service method is a non-static method. So if whenever we want to call any non-static method, then we definitely need one object. So for this servlet class, server is making object for the servlet class. So this is the very important point, that server is making object to the servlet class. So how it is making this object? So it is using class for name method, class.forName method, for creating the object to the servlet class. So as there is a web.xml file, we always make a web.xml file for the servers, so servlet classes. So here we always mention the servlet class name. So server is taking our servlet class name from there as a string, and using that class for name, it is creating an object. This is a concept of reflection API. So it is making object to the servlet class, and from this object we can call service. Means server is calling service method for each and every request from there only. So this is a very important concept, that we cannot make object to the servlet class. Only server is making object to the servlet class. So these are the basic things. So here we can say that this server is making singleton design pattern for the servlet class. The second main point is, whenever we are mentioning load on startup, this tag, load on startup tag in web XML, then when we start our server, we are not making any request, we are just starting our server, then only that init method it start executing. Obviously it is for once only, but as we start our server, init method executes. So this is the important point, that if we are mentioning load on startup tag inside web.xml file, then as we start our server, that init method executes. So these are the basics about the servlet life cycle. In other video, I'll show you some programs on this servlet life cycle. So till then, bye and thank you.